In this video, I will be explaining what is the difference between state and props. So starting from the first thing, initially the definition of state. Basically, state is data that is changing. State is a data that is changing in React. So like we can use like a use state hook is there to change the data, or like to locally do whatever we have to do with that data that is showing in the UI basic. And in terms of props, what props is, props are like a shorthand for properties in React, that these props are basically passed down from their parents to the child components. And the difference between both of them are like state is local to its component. Like if there is a component and we have a state, so that state is local to the component, like that state will be only acting onto that component. It won't be active on some another component, or like if until unless it's passed as a prop. Secondly, the states are mutable. And if I talk about props, so props are just properties and they are read only, as well as these properties are passed from the parent component to the child component, and it's not local to some component. Like if I'm using some property in like child A, so it will if that property will be also available to its parent component. So this is what basically a state and prop is, and just a general difference between both of them.